Before we get started, I'd just like to let you know that this video is and has been sponsored by AUXBEAM. AUXBEAM was kind enough to send me a couple of these headlights for the van to install and to review. So I'll do a quick little unboxing here quickly. Very nice, high quality. I wish I could show you guys or let you guys feel the weight of this thing, but it is quite heavy. And feels really nice. So they sent us two of these here. Again, special thanks to AUXBEAM for that. Much appreciated. I got their sticker here, and Gavin's just unboxing that one there. But I've also got their sticker up here, boys. So before we get started, I figured I'd show you the front end of the van. It has all been finished now. As you can see, the wrap has been done on it. The paint job is finished, and this thing is now officially on the road. So if you guys see this thing rolling around, make sure you give me a honk and a thumbs up, and yeah, we'll show you guys what's up. So got the whole van wrapped here in the back here as well. Don't do it, boys. Don't text and drive. Give us a call for hands-free Bluetooth solutions. CarPhonix. Give you guys a nice wide span view of the van. Here we go. So the front end of this van is, you know, it's a 2005 Chevrolet Astro van, and as you can see, it's just got standard halogen bulbs on left and right. These are sealed beam 5x7 headlight housings. The grille is just a standard silver. I got one that I ended up taking off that parts van that was outside, and I painted it black. Here's the black grille, guys. Basically, it's identical to this one here. I'm going to take that Chevrolet symbol off and put it on this one here. But along with these headlights, I figured doing a nice front black grille would be real nice and spicy. They sent us a whole boatload of stickers with this, guy, so that's pretty awesome. Maybe one of you guys will get these in a giveaway. I don't know, maybe. Here's the lights in some better detail. It's got some projectors at the bottom and the top here, left and right. Full LED replacement bulbs here, guys. Here's one here with the protective sheathing on it. Comes with a harness, I believe, so you can adapt it from like a 9006 to this is a I think a H11 or H4. So H4 connector here, and I think this is a 9006 bulb there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this grille, pop the hood, and get the grille removed. Get those two side lights right there, there and there removed off of the grille. Swap them onto this grille. Once we get the grille on there, Gavin's struggling a little bit with the hood. A little bit squeaky. We got to grease that squeaky wheel, boys.
Almost forgot how. It looks so easy.
Alrighty, so with some quick handwork there, we were able to get the front end of the van apart here pretty quickly. The next step is to start going ahead and removing these halogen housings and getting that situated. Just notice it is a little dirty under the hood here. I should probably give this thing a little bit of a wash at some point. Not today, but at some point. The focus of this video is for the AUXBEAM lights to go into the van. Alright guys, so there's 4 screws, one here, here, and here. These things look pretty rusty, so wish me luck, boys. See how this goes. Well, good luck on number 1. Good luck on number 2. Oh, these bottom ones, I don't know, boys. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go, fingers crossed. You want to apply good pressure on this. Ah, yeah. We did it, boys. There's 4 screws. The trim ring will come off, and then the whole headlight bucket should come out with it. All right, guys, so skipping forward just a little bit there, I'm sure you guys can pretty much imagine it was just plug and play for the lights there. Both left and right turned out pretty good, so that's the low beams. And I'll go ahead and click on the high beams here for you. And those are the high beams. Super bright, Super nice. Nice installation. Nice fitting. Everything fit really nicely. The light at nighttime is pretty amazing also, guys. So anyhow, I just wanted to thank AUXBEAM once again for sending me out these lights so I can install them in the shop van. And if you guys need those, please check out the description below. These will fit in pretty much, you know, the older Jeeps, Chevy Astro, Chevy Sierra vans, all that fun stuff. So anyways, guys, appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, all that fun jazz. Please make sure you check out the description below for AUXBEAM's lights. There'll be a link in the description below for them there. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Take care, guys.